Hey everyone, good evening. Happy Tuesday. So, I think I have an idea. I had this hunch before that he was going to be going into this hole. And guess what? Guess where he is? He's going down into that hole. How he's fitting in there is beyond me, but there he is. So I'm wondering if this is his hideout. His latest hideout. Makes me wonder. This is where his mama cat used to go when she was little. Makes me wonder. But he's I don't know. Hey Christopher, where you going? Hey. Come here. Where you going? Mr. Devil. You gotta stay away from this pool. I don't want to be finding you in that pool. There he goes. There he goes, my mommy. But I'm wondering if he is going into that pool. In that hole. You better not be going in that pool, by near that pool, mister. And I still haven't had a chance to even scoop up these grass clippings from the guy that mowed my lawn. Because it's been so damn hot here. But he seems to enjoy him. There he goes. See how he blends in with everything? Little butthead. Only kidding, he's not a butthead. I love that little boy. He's special to me. And he knows it. Don't you? Come here, you. Hey, you. Hey, you. You hot? You a hot kitty? Yeah? Okay. Whatever. Do you want to attack me? Do you want to attack me? Is that what it is? Do you want to attack me? No, you don't. No, you don't. Come here. I wonder if this is going to be his permanent eye color. Look at him. Look at him. Little brat. You little brat. Yes. I know. You're so cute. And you know you're cute. That's the thing. You know you're cute. You know you're a cutie pie. Yes. Do you let me pick you up? Do you let me pick you up? No? Not gonna let me? Not gonna let me? Not gonna let me pick you up? No? No? I wonder if that's gonna be your permanent eye color. He's not biting hard, he's just nibbling. Hey, you. Hey, you. What? What? Hey. What's up, guy? What's up, man? What? What? I love you. You know I love you. Do you love me? Of course you do. Of course you do. Where you going now? Where you going now? Huh? Where you going now, you little booger pants? Look at him running sideways, getting himself into mischief. Where you going? Where you going? Look at him. Well, you're a jumper, huh? Come here. Come here, you. Come here. Come here. There he is. Say hi, everyone. Say, yeah. The crazy random woman dog napper has me. Help me, he says. You gonna eat some of your food? Oh, you're gonna get a little bit aggressive, hey? You be a good boy. I love you. Whoa. Okay, easy, 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 easy. You're going and attacking me now. Be a good boy. Aye, 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 aye. What's the matter? What's the matter? Here, come here. Don't make me cat you. Come here. I love you. Yes, I do. You hear the plane? You hear the plane? You hear the plane? Alright. Well, he's good and safe. So, oh, stop it. There he is. Mr. Aggressive. Put your little head down. Hey. What's your matter? Whoa. Yeah, you're getting a bit feisty, huh? Yes. Yeah, you're getting a little bit feisty. Alright, hold on.